In an effort to fathom the challenges faced by singers, musicians and composers in the state, the Tourism Department of Meghalaya, in its first ever foray into this field, has invited artists from the state to participate in a dialogue to air their challenges and to brainstorm for solutions. This dialogue was held on 17 February 2021. Talking to the press, Mr. Vijay Kumar, IAS Commissioner and Secretary of Tourism Department, said that the state government is interested in developing and encouraging artists, musicians and composers of the state.
So Meghalaya Tourism is has organized this wonderful event of musicians of Meghalaya, which is a forum, a town hall to interact with various music talent in the state. We all know that the state and Shillong in particular has a lot of music talent, but the government wants to understand what are the ways in which government can promote music and promote tourism through music. So that's the reason why the tourism department has organized this small event. We'd like to organize many more such events and to come up with structured ways in which the tourism department can support the music industry and through music promote tourism in the state and also support all the musicians and the artists that we have in the state.
Kan kong nga penpau kajing ai zero ki artist mo di na amta ngepet ki long ki seluruh haban keren nanta skoiru kinum dei bendu jing kerman ni menta ka ni kan ni la ruang yang paju i bukan like kom baka ka sarkar kan khot ni mo se kan long ka jing ke ka bas tunat dengan ngets kam kinum do jing kerman baki nang ni la ayo kan ikalat ba government ka take initiative kan men urlong ke baki kwa ke namta ka kinong ruahi baro jong ka state ka